how to accept Poshmark offer. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can make a Poshmark offer, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to make or accept a Poshmark offer, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, you simply want to go to poshmark.com and then just make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you sign into the account, what you want to do is if anyone has made a counter offer for you and then you want to view that offer, you can view it by tapping the profile icon from the top right, going to the option called My Offers. You'll be able to see all of the offers you've received and sent for purchase as well as for sale. Now, if you are a buyer and then you made an offer for someone else, as soon as you make the offer, a pop-up will pop up for you to provide your payment information, and as soon as the seller accepts this offer, the deal is done and you are on your way of getting the item you desire. The seller has 24 hours to accept, deny or counter offer. After 24 hours, your offer will successfully expire. But to give you a basic idea of the context, this is how you accept offer on Poshmark. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.